Thank you for buying this jewelry display 19295 from FixtureDisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 19295 on FixtureDisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to show you all the components. You'll have two bars, two tubes, one base, and screws. The assembly is really straightforward. You pick up one of the bars and one of the tubes, any tubes actually. In this case, we're picking up the long one, and just turn to fasten. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. We now work on the other bar, assemble that to the shorter tube, and then simply fasten the tube to the base on either one of the two holes. The benefit of having this screw assembly not only saves space and therefore reduce our cost of supplying this to you at your price, also you can rotate that to the angle that you desire. Fixture Displays sell a large variety of display products along with consumer products. We encourage you to browse our website and to find other articles maybe of interest. At this configuration, the width is 15 inches, the depth is 5 inches, the height is 9.5 inches. You can use this little display to put bracelets, watches, anything that goes on to the bars, basically. We now put it on a spinner. The spinner is not part of the product, to show you 360-degree views of this product. We know you have choices in this marketplace, and thank you again for shopping with FixtureDisplays.com. Have a blessed day.